Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Booster Channel.
Hi friends, today we have a very interesting topic for you.
Yes, today we will practice a very common question.
How was your day?
Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex.
In this video, you will learn how to talk about your day in English.
You will learn simple and useful sentences.
So stay with us and practice together. Right now, we are sitting in a cozy room in the evening.
Yes, it is the perfect time to talk about our day.
We will share our daily experiences.
You can use these sentences in real life.
Listen carefully and try to repeat.
Hey, Emily, how was your day?
My day was good.
That's nice. What did you do today?
I went to school in the morning.
Did you enjoy your classes?
Yes, I enjoyed my English class.
That sounds great.
What about your day?
My day was busy.
Why was it busy?
I had many meetings at work.
Did you feel tired?
Yes, I felt a little tired.
You should take rest. What did you do in the morning?
I woke up early.
Then what?
I went for a short walk.
That's a good habit.
Yes, it makes me feel fresh. What about your morning?
I got ready for school.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had milk and bread. What did you do in the afternoon? I had lunch with my family.
What did you eat?
I ate rice and vegetables. What about your lunch?
I had lunch at my office.
Did you eat alone?
No, I ate with my team.
What did you do after work?
I came back home.
Did you relax?
Yes, I watched some TV. What about your evening?
I played with my friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
How do you feel now?
I feel happy and relaxed.
That's good to hear.
How do you feel now?
I feel tired but satisfied.
That's a nice feeling. Did anything special happen today?
Yes, I completed an important task.
That's great.
What about you?
I helped my friend in class.
That's very kind of you. What was the best part of your day?
Playing with my friends.
Nice choice.
What was the best part of your day?
Finishing my work on time.
What will you do now?
I will have dinner and rest.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I will study for a while and sleep.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation.
Let's learn some important sentences. Sentence, how was your day? Meaning, आज तुम्हारा दिन कैसा था? Sentence, my day was busy. Meaning, मेरा दिन व्यस्त था. Sentence, I felt tired. Meaning, मुझे थकन महसूस हुई. Sentence, I enjoyed my day. Meaning, मैंने अपने दिन का आनंद लिया. Sentence, I feel relaxed. Meaning, मैं relaxed महसूस कर रहा हूँ.
Listen carefully. How was your day? Slowly. How was your day? Repeat after me.
My day was busy. Slowly, my day was busy. Repeat.
I feel happy. Slowly. I feel happy. Repeat it.
Listen carefully. I had a great day. Can you repeat it?
I went to school. Repeat it.
I feel tired but happy. Say it again. How was your day?
My day was good.
What did you do?
I went to school.
How do you feel now?
I feel happy.
Practice speaking about your day every day. Use these sentences in real life.
Do not be afraid to speak English.
You will improve step by step.
If you liked this video,
Like, share, and subscribe.
Alex, did you have a stressful day?
Yes, a little.
What made it stressful?
I had too much work to do.
Did you finish everything?
Yes, I completed all my tasks.
That's great.
I felt proud of myself.
Did anything go wrong today?
Yes, I missed one meeting.
Oh no, what happened?
I forgot about the time.
Did you fix it?
Yes, I talked to my boss later.
That's good.
Did something good happen today?
Yes, I got good marks in a test.
That's amazing.
I felt very happy.
Did you celebrate?
Yes, I shared it with my family.
Did you learn something new today? Yes, I learned a new skill at work.
What did you learn?
I learned how to manage time better.
That is very useful.
Yes, it will help me every day. Did you talk to your friends today?
Yes, I talked to them during lunch.
What did you talk about?
We talked about school and games. Did you feel energetic today?
In the morning, yes.
And in the evening?
I felt tired in the evening. Did you laugh today?
Yes, a lot.
What made you laugh?
My friend told a funny story. What will you do tomorrow?
I will try to have a better day.
That's a good plan.
What about your plan?
I will study and play again.
Let's learn more useful sentences. Sentence, I had a busy day. Meaning, मेरा दिन बहुत busy था. Example, I had a busy day at work. Sentence, I felt very happy. Meaning, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई. Example, I felt happy after meeting my friend. Sentence, I completed my work. Meaning, मैंने अपना काम पूरा किया. Example, I completed my homework on time. Sentence. I missed something important. Meaning, मैंने कुछ important miss कर दिया. Example. I missed my class today. Sentence. I learned something new. Meaning, मैंने कुछ नया सीखा. Example. I learned a new word today.
Listen carefully. I had a busy day. Slowly. I had a busy day. Repeat after me.
I learned something new. Slowly. I learned something new. Repeat.
I feel tired but happy. Slowly. I feel tired but happy. Repeat.
Listen carefully. I finished all my work on time. Can you repeat it?
I talked to my friends today. Repeat it.
I had a great and productive day. Say it again.
How was your day?
My day was busy but good.
What did you do?
I worked and completed my tasks. What about you?
I studied and played with friends.
How do you feel now?
I feel happy and relaxed. Try to speak about your day every evening.
Use simple sentences like we did today.
Practice again and again.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Confidence comes with practice.
If you enjoyed this video,
Like, share, and subscribe.
keep learning English every day.
We will see you in the next video.